Rustic Charm Cottage House Plans. ChatGPT. Introducing our Rustic Charm Cottage House Plans, where the allure of a bygone era meets the cozy embrace of modern comfort. These meticulously crafted plans are a homage to the timeless appeal of rustic living, offering a warm and inviting retreat for those seeking a touch of nostalgia in their home. Key features. Storybook aesthetics. The Rustic Charm Cottage House Plans feature a picturesque facade that captures the essence of a storybook cottage. With charming details like a steeply pitched roof, exposed wooden beams, and a welcoming front porch, these plans exude curb appeal. Cozy interior spaces. Inside, you'll find an interior that embraces the cottage's rustic heritage. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood flooring, and a stone fireplace create an ambiance of warmth and comfort. The open concept design maximizes space while maintaining a cozy atmosphere. Country kitchen. The heart of these plans is a country-style kitchen that combines functionality with aesthetics. Ample